Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you an easy chicken recipe. This is a side dish that you can knock up in under 15 minutes, and this is just very basic simple ingredients. This is my go-to recipe if I have unexpected guests or if I just do not know what to prepare for dinner, along with rice or naan bread, chapatis or even noodles. For this you will need boneless chicken. You could use chicken thighs or chicken breasts cubed, onions, 2 or 3 medium onions thinly sliced, any sauces that you like. I have used barbecue sauce, ketchup, soy sauce and sweet chili sauce, which is my absolute favorite, and I've used ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper to taste, and coriander leaves. You'll also need green chilies. I have used 1 hot green chili. You can add more chilies if you like, and oil to fry, just a couple of tablespoons of oil, and bell peppers. I have used green, yellow and red bell peppers cubed. For this quick recipe, heat oil in a wok and fry the onions till soft. Add green chilies and ginger garlic paste and salt until it's cooked. Now add the chicken pieces and lightly fry the outside. Cover and cook until the chicken is done. It wouldn't take very long because it's boneless pieces. This is a very simple and easy dish. You can make this in minutes, and it's ideal to serve to children because there's no complicated spices. Also, there's no strict rules. You could add whichever sauces you like. It could be just plain ketchup or a bit of soy sauce or chili sauce, just according to your taste. Now adding the sauces one by one. And finally the bell peppers to give the beautiful color to this dish. Don't cook the bell peppers for too long because you want to keep that color. And finally the seasoning with salt and pepper and garnishing with coriander leaves and spring onion. And there you go, it's done. I've taken just about 12 minutes to prepare this dish, so it's one of the quickest side dishes you can make, and it's an absolute family favorite. I enjoyed making this recipe. It's very colorful and very tasty. It's very simple and easy to make. I hope you like it and that you'll give it a try.